Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today a very healthy, tasty, quick and easy recipe for you all. Instant Uthappam for your breakfast. It's wonderful, very easy to make. So let's start. Here I have taken 1 cup of Suji, and to this I will be adding 1 cup of dahi or curd. I have used homemade dahi. You can use any dahi of your choice. From market dahi also you can use. Now to this I will be adding salt according to the taste, and then mix it very nicely. Along with this goes half cup of water also, which I am going to show you all, and then mix everything very nicely and cover it and keep it for at least 15 minutes. After that I will be chopping few vegetables. Now these vegetables, before chopping them, let me tell you, these vegetables you can use according to your choice. You can use only any one vegetable, say like onion or carrot or tomatoes. Any one you can use, or you can use all of them as I am doing today. Here I have chopped 1 large onion, or medium sized onion rather, 1 large tomato I have chopped, and a little bit of carrot grated, or you can chop it into small pieces also. And here goes green chilies. This goes according to your taste, and I will be adding a little bit of coriander leaves also. This is again optional. A little bit of grated ginger goes here. Grated ginger is a must, don't forget that and don't ignore that. Now mix everything very nicely and keep this for 5 minutes or so. Now here I will be heating a pan. To this I am going to add a little bit of white oil or vegetable oil, a little bit, and then smear it with the help of a brush or a tissue paper to your skillet. This is the only point where you are going to oil your skillet. After that we are not going to need any more oil. Now here I will be putting 1 big ladle of the mixture of Suji mixture, and on top of this I will be arranging some vegetables which I have already cut and added a little bit of salt to it. Now then I will be covering it and cooking it for 1 minute or till it is done. Before that I will be pressing the vegetables a little bit so that it sticks very nicely with the batter. Now see friends, a very easy and quick dish. So if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe along with the small bell icon so that you get all the notification as soon as I upload my videos. Now after 1 minute, take the cover off and just turn it over and make the other side also be cooked. Now this is also for 1 minute, and again I will be covering it, and then your dish is ready to serve. Today I have served this with a coriander and coconut chutney. You can serve it with sambar also. You can serve it with any other chutney of your choice also. It's a very quick recipe, healthy recipe, and really needs not much of toil, friends. So try it out today. With the amount what I have made, means 1 cup of Suji, you can make 3 Uthappams, 3 moderate size of Uthappams. So accordingly you arrange your Suji. And see this friends, ready, and it's ready to serve. I'll show you all friends after serving. I will be waiting for your feedback, friends. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Thank you all for watching.